approached me. I said, yo, what the deal is? In and out them dealers, rockin' chinchillas. I got him in the back of that back. I think he catching feelings. Hey SBR Nation, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if this is your first time here. Thanks for stopping by. If you don't know me, my name is Roena Robinson and I am your SBR queen. SBR simply means Styled by Roena. Do check us out on IG at Styled by Roena, and you can follow my personal page as well, Roena_Robinson. You can also follow my clothing page at Styled by Roena Apparel. I'm in the UK, and since recently we're coming out of lockdown and the place is opening up again, it's just really exciting to know that we can go outside, we can meet more than 6 people outside now and stuff like that. So then I thought, let me just do a nice little glam that would look good on like a date night and like a night out. It's a bit sultry, so it is good for the nighttime vibes and stuff. And even if you're just going out in the evening with your girls, this is a nice little beat to rock. It is so simple to do. My eyeshadow is just 2 shades. You guys can definitely do it even if you're a beginner. It's just bronze, and yeah, I love it, and I hope that you love it too. All right, make sure that you check out my previous videos, and make sure that you don't forget to include hashtag SBR Nation in your comments for a chance to be shouted out. All right, thank you again for watching, and let's just jump into the video. I'm hoping to go for brown, a little smoky effect. So I'm deciding I'm going to use this palette for the first time. It is the Minnie Mouse Disney palette. It also has highlighters here, so it has highlighters there, and then it has these shades. I'm gonna go for this brown. Ooh. So I'm gonna go and I'm gonna put it, wow, it's pigmented. It's crazy. Okay, that's not bad. I'm gonna do the same with the other side. I know we're looking crazy now, but we're going to change it soon. Okay, so next I think I'm gonna go in with like this yellow. It's the Makeup Revolution palette. It's a Reloaded Marvelous Matte palette. I think I might go in with, so I ended up going with that orange color instead. I'm gonna use this little brush here, and I'm gonna use the same brown and go just along my waterline. And at this stage, I'm just going to do the same thing that I did in my Flawless Foundation routine. Go check it out. I'm not going to talk through it. I'm just going to do it. has smile lines like me. It has smile lines right here, as you can see right here. So if you put a powder in it, it stops it from wrinkling. Honey, we look crazy. I might actually go in with this, guys. I haven't used this in a minute. This is the Constance Carroll long lasting matte cover. I think this had a very red undertone. Let me check. You're never gonna make it, you're not good enough. There's a million other people with the same stuff. You really think you're different, man, you must be kidding. Think you're gonna hit it, but you just don't get it. It's impossible, it's not probable, you're irresponsible. Too many obstacles, you gotta stop it, yo. You gotta take it slow, you can't be a pro, don't waste your time no more. Who the fuck are you to tell me what to do? I don't give a damn if you say you disapprove. I'm gonna make my move, I'm gonna make it soon. And I'll do it cause it's what I wanna fucking do. Cause all these opinions and all these positions, they come in millions, they blocking your vision. But no, you can't listen, that shit is all fiction. Cause you hold the power as long as you're dreaming. There's no way that you make it, and maybe you can fake it, but you're never gonna make it. Are you just gonna take that? Make them take it all back. Don't tell me you believe that. Are you just gonna take that? I'm gonna go bronzy, so I'm gonna go with this color fix, this Technique color fix bronze palette. There's all these lovely shades in it. I'm going back with the same brush, and I'm gonna try to see if this is definitely showing up in my mirror, but it's not showing on camera. I don't think you guys are seeing. It's giving me a little pigment. Little pigment, definitely. Just because I want it to be brown. Do you get it? I have this blush kit, but I don't really want any color. I just want to remain matte and brown. So this is giving me that. I'm actually really loving how it's coming out. Really liking it actually. I'm gonna apply some lashes. I use the duo lash glue, and the lash that I'm using here is the lash that I used in my last video, how to apply lashes. So you know, it's the new Calais lashes from Amazon. Okay, and I'm just gonna apply it. Just gonna apply the glue and allow it to dry. Obviously you guys know it's my Glow Getter palette. This is from Primark actually, and I absolutely love the colors in this. I'm gonna add this though because I want to keep it bronzy, so I'm gonna add this shade. It's called Vacay, so I'm gonna add that shade there. I'm gonna go in with this baby fan brush, and as I say, I'm using the shade Vacay, and it's gonna add a bit of touch there. Yep, I'm doing the same with this side. Bit of bronze. Then I'm gonna use the same shade to my nose. Yeah. Right. So I think that's where I'm gonna keep the bronze and the highlight for this video. For my lips, I'm gonna go in with my normal lip pencil. This is also from Primark, by the way. This is like one of my favorite lip combos. And it will look perfect for this look, to be fair, because it's in the shade Plum. This is a Huda liquid matte lipstick, and that's the shade bombshell. Just add a little bit more. Okay. Right. So now that you've seen me complete the look, all that I did off camera was like add some highlights on the cube on my cupid's bow. But that's all I did. But everything else you guys saw, and I hope that you loved it. I absolutely love this look. I'm looking down because my mirror is here, and when I look up there, I'm looking at the phone. I'm not looking at you guys. Sorry about that. I keep doing that, man. And it's shout out time. So let me just go back to my latest video. I think that's it. All right, guys. So later. Bye. Without boarding pass. Couldn't catch me, I be moving fast.